purchased the refrigerator freezer at Lowe's in December of 2013 for a total of $733.53. That is the serial and the model number on it, and it's worked perfectly since I bought it. That's what the refrigerator looks like. And the ice maker's been working fine. Well, I flipped the breaker to it, left it off for a little while, cut it back on, and when I did, the noise was gone. Noise is gone. Refrigerator's running. It's been acting normal this week. I came in here and just barely turned that down a little bit, and the noise stopped. So I don't know, but it hasn't made the noise since I did that. Just started making that noise again. I had the ice maker cut off all week. Let me see if my magic trick works. Cuts it off, doesn't mean it won't come back on. Later the same day, same noise. Cut it off, stops the noise. So I don't know. If you know if this is a problem that needs to be addressed or if it's just an annoyance that I can let go, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.